What's the meaning of breeder? Breeder. Breeder.
Breeder. Breeder. The word breeder can have various meanings depending on context. In general, it refers to someone or something that produces offspring or breeds animals or plants. It can also refer to people who breed specific animals for show or competition purposes, or individuals who produce hybrid or genetically modified organisms. The term can have a positive connotation, indicating a skilled and knowledgeable animal or plant breeder, or a negative connotation, suggesting irresponsible breeding practices or overpopulation. Overall, the meaning of breeder depends on the specific context in which it is used.